It's the 1972 Camaro, split bumper. It's got a larger hood on it here for the 454. Somewhat recent paint job. I don't know exactly when it was done, but obviously within the last 5 years or so, I would imagine. Paint's in good condition. It's not perfect. There's a little bit of orange peel here and there around the car, but overall it's definitely a very good driver quality paint job. It's hard to see. You can almost see a small bubble in the paint. It's not rust right there. It's not rust. I'm not exactly sure what it is. I'll show you the trunk. The trunk looks good. Just put a new lock on the trunk here. It's hard to see in here because of the light, but it's all coated as well. Show you inside of it. It's got this 454 in here. Pretty new battery. Just brand new electric fan set up here for the radiator. It's got this big radiator and this E-fan I just put on about a week ago. So it keeps really good temperature. You can let it idle at about 160 degrees. And that's constantly running. You don't have to turn it on or anything like that. It's got the big brake booster, power steering, power brakes. Show you inside. It's a pretty original interior. So the interior you'll see has pretty solid wear for the age. The seats are in great condition for the age. Headliner's good. It's missing the little light cap here on the light if you wanted to do that. I'm sure it's a very simple thing to add. It's got this chromatic 2 shifter knob here. Miles per hour gauge works. You can see the dash is really the only thing that's pretty worn on it. That you'll see there's some chips on here. It's like the original gauges. It's got the aftermarket gauges here for the temperature and everything. Aftermarket radio. Overall is a good car. Let me start it up for you. So you can see that's a cold start. Temp gauges and moved it all. Cold start just today. Idles really well, runs well.